वेलकम बैक। कहते हैं कि एक फिल्म के अगर गाने हिट हो तो हाफ द बैटल इज वन। और आजकल तो म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स ही एक्टर बन रहे हैं और कोरियोग्राफर्स डायरेक्टर। और ऐसे ही एक स्टार है रेमो डिसूजा who has danced his way to success. Welcome to the show, Remo.
Thank you so much.
Well, choreographers like प्रभु देवा और फराह खान को सालों लग गए डायरेक्टर बनते बनते, लेकिन आपके लिए काफ़ी आसान रहा है। आप it happened quite early in your career. How?
Actually, बहुत टाइम लगा मुझे भी। ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे को बहुत जल्दी मिल गया। I almost 2000 I think I started my choreography, and then I always wanted to become a director. And after a lot of songs, directing songs, choreographing songs, now I got a chance. So choreographers actually सबसे easiest हैं कि डायरेक्टर बनना, क्योंकि वो गाना करते हैं एक फिल्म में। अगर 4-5 गाने हो तो 4-5 गाने वो करते हैं, तो फिल्म का ऑलमोस्ट काफ़ी ज़्यादा मिनट्स वो डायरेक्ट करते हैं। एंड बॉलीवुड, हमारे बॉलीवुड में तो ऐसा है कि कोरियोग्राफर आता है, वो गाना पूरा डायरेक्ट करता है। इट्स नॉट लाइक हॉलीवुड वे कोरियोग्राफर गोज एंड जस्ट शोज देम द स्टेप, बट वी हैव टू डिसाइड द camera angles, to the costume, to the set, to everything. So we actually directing the song. So हमारे लिए सबसे easy है to become director.
What was it like directing Prabhu Deva? क्योंकि he's not only a choreographer, he's also a director.
Before this also I actually choreographed him in Telugu films actually.
okay.
So I know him since a long time. So we are friends. So दोस्ती में हमने बोला कि ऐसे करते हैं. Then once he came on the set and he was like a newcomer actually on the set. Because yeah, he did exactly what I wanted. First day he came and said, Remo, whatever you want to do, you do it. I'm not going to say anything. I'm your actor and that's it.
और इंडस्ट्री में आपके हिसाब से सबसे अच्छा डांसर कौन है, मेल एंड फीमेल?
I think male, undoubtedly, I mean, Hrithik Roshan. And in females, we have a lot of good dancers actually. From Kareena to Priyanka to everyone is very good dancer. Almost everyone is good dancer.
Do you truly feel कि anybody can dance?
Absolutely.
क्या आप किसी को भी डांस करवा सकते हैं?
Absolutely. I feel that's why I made this.
I wish I could call my producer on the set right now.
I can make anyone dance.
Whom do you want to? किसी को नचाना चाहते हैं आप? Like it's your dream कि मैं इस person को choreograph करना चाहता हूँ particularly.
Two person which I was dying to choreograph them was one was Hrithik and one was Ranbir Kapoor.
Okay.
And both of them just happened few days back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I choreographed Hrithik for Krish and choreographed Ranbir for Jawani Hai Diwani. So.
Oh, amazing. Some actors like Salman Khan, उन्हें खुद अपना डांस स्टेप्स करना पसंद है. They don't really like to follow choreographed steps. So how do you deal with that?
He's too big a star to actually stand in front of them and say, boss, you can't do that. I mean, not only a choreographer, I think not even a director can stand in front of him and say, you can't do this. And he can actually tell you that a choreographer को देख के पता चल जाएगा कि ये क्या स्टेप देने वाला है मुझे.
Also, इंडस्ट्री में कहा जाता है कि फराह खान is a very aggressive director. जब वो सेट पर होती है तो everyone silent and you know she totally takes over. तो आप कैसे हैं on sets?
मेरा total opposite है.
अच्छा.
Yeah. मैं बहुत silent. I can't shout. I mean, I can't.
But is there a reason behind that?
There's a reason behind. I don't like to shout.
Also, as a choreographer in Bollywood, क्या आपको लगता है choreographers are adequately paid? Are they getting their due?
Hindi film industry is very funny, I would say. All these big choreographers, Farah, Sarojji, Ahmed, all of us, like me, Vaibhavi, the Caesar Bosco.
Right.
Now, after proving ourselves that, you know, giving big hits, we can actually charge now. But yeah, it is always difficult to for the new choreographer to get into this field and start charging that much. They can't do that.
तो जैसे कि हम इंडस्ट्री में जानते हैं कि every star, an actor, gets very easily friendly with a designer or choreographer. Like for instance, Shah Rukh and Farah and Vaibhavi and Rani. Who do you have a personal equation with?
No one.
No one.
In that way, Akshay Kumar के साथ मैंने बहुत काम किया है. He's actually, yes, I would say Akshay Kumar, Salman Khan. I am close to them because I did a lot of work with them. And जो सबसे ज़्यादा जिनके साथ काम किया है वो है बच्चन साहब. Whenever he feels that he wants to do something on KBC or anywhere else on any other film, he calls me and he says, okay, let's do this thing. So yeah.
But do you think there's any advantage or disadvantage to that?
Sometimes it's definitely advantage if you have Salman Khan as your best friend, and so
Absolutely.
you're done. I mean, you don't have to struggle.
और आपको कोरियोग्राफी भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Yeah, you just
have to be at the set.
yeah. So
All right, Remo, thank you so much for being with us, and all
Thanks
the
so-
best on your
thanks
upcoming
so
film.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.